Everybody, I'm about to infuse 10 grams of botanicals in my levoc. Gonna take these two pods and, if you can see, place one on one side and one on the other, like so. Then I'm going to close my lid. Simply choose to activate. I'm going to use the preset at a half hour at 240 to activate the botanicals. I am making a half a cup of butter, but I've added 3 extra tablespoons to account for loss. This is what it looks like with the butter added, submerging the botanicals in the pods. I am now going to set the time and temperature on the levoc to infuse. So I set the time to 2 hours and 30 minutes, and I set the temperature to 165. Now I'll press the play button, and the levoc will do its thing. I will show you the results afterwards. Now that my activation and my infusion is complete, I'm going to press this little dropper button here into my dirty but only butter-filled cup and extract our half a cup of butter. Again, remember, I did say that I put in a 1 stick plus 3 tablespoons. So there you have it, Ediblecat's quick and easy guide to infused cookies with the levoc. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.